Today's the race begin. This is day one of water festival and the river full of life. A lot of people cheer up for the boat racing there. As you see, competition is start from one bridge to another bridge. We call Stone Bridge and Wadbo Bridge. If you're planning to come here, just don't forget to come here early in the morning. But the next day we have early in the morning and afternoon. And congratulate to the winner. Crowds cheers, drumbeat and excitement fill in air. But it is not the final. It's a normal race day. The first day is for fun for some boat for who not really that skillful. So the people say that this one is just kind of testing, but the fun is real. By tomorrow, the best team will move to the final round. So right now they do announcement of the team who passed the first round. For 2 days of the water festival, for the first team of the first day, we have 2 rounds. The first round is for 12 competitors, totally 24 boats joining for competition. Different color of boats line up for being ready for the competition. So right now, soon they will start the second round. So today we have 2 rounds of boat racing to find the winner for the first day and the final winner for the second day. Here's the drum. They're gonna hit on the drum when we found the winner between 2 boat racing. For today competition, if you are the winner for 2 rounds, you will be need to compete with the winner group for the next day. For the boat who lose, need to compete with the other lose in order to be able to win, to be able to compete the next day. The competition is rely on we not match them from one boat to another boat, but we let them match the number to match up with the competition. So it means it's fair enough. We not match from one boat to another boat. Depend on their luck. If they meet the wrong one, they maybe not be able to win. This is what Cambodian life, full of energy, joyful, full of community, and full of pride. Not only local people, even international tourists join us for boat racing watching. Even this year, we not celebrate that big festival, but the people can enjoy the area here as the community, as the local people and international tourists. Feel free to come and see it by yourself. Generally, you're gonna see more people in the evening or late evening. So the people will be walking around here full of people. Because right now in the morning, the first day, not many people interested to see much. Not as many as people come to visit the boat racing as the second day. So second day, you're gonna see full of people. So if you want to get away from too crowded, you should come at the first day. To make this boat racing festival happen, they need to get supported from the local entrepreneurship, from the restaurant, from the hotel, people who want to support them, to give them as the prize. If you appreciate my hard working for filming this kind of water festival, subscribe and follow for more. Share to your beloved one.